Hi everyone, this is Cici and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to repat yung mga naiwan na variegated gymnocalcium pagkatapos natin mag-pack ng mga pinadala nating gifts sa ating mga friends. So, let's have a recap first ng mga variegated gymnocalcium na ipapat natin for today's video. Meron ditong dalawang super liit na variegated gymnocalcium na galing kay Daysip. So, yung isa dito is mushy. So, I don't know if it will survive, but let's give it a try by patting it. And then, the rest one that is wrapped sa tissue is from Jackie Potter. So, ito yung mga naiwan na sumobra dun sa mga pinadala kong gifts sa mga friends ko. Ito naman yung pot na gagamitin natin. It's 3x3 white pot, square ang shape, and then it is filled up with 50% lump soil and 50% pumice stone na yun yung ating usual potting mix, and then I put a little bit of Akadama soil on top of it. So, let's start potting since prepared na yung ating variegated gymnocalcium and pot. So, ito yung small na variegated gymnocalcium galing kay Daysip. So, ayan yung sinasabi kong mushy. So, madali lang naman sila ipot because ipapatong mo lang sila sa pot, and then pwedeng hindi na rin kayo maglagay ng top dressing, pero for today's video, I'm going to use cultured soil as top dressing. So, katulad ng palagi kong sinasabi pag ako nagpapat ng mga variegated gymnocalcium or any cacti or even succulents, I always use dry soil mixture. I don't use moist or wet potting mix. So, ganyan ang gagawin natin. Ipapatong natin and then top it with top dressing. Pwede rin namang wala. Kung wala kayong top dressing, pwede din namang soil mixture na lang din ang gamitin nyo. So, ganyan lang yung gagawin natin throughout the video. I strongly recommend talaga yung seller na si Jackie Potter kasi napakaganda talaga and healthy ng plants na pinapadala niya. And it's very clean and shiny. At saka kita niyo naman yung pagkakapak. Kung hindi niyo pa napanood yung video ko yesterday, please watch it. Doon niyo makikita kung paano mag-pack at gaano kaganda mag-ayos sa box si Jackie Potter, yung ating seller. Napakalinis talaga ng plants. So, I strongly recommend this seller. Please visit their FB page, Jackie Potter. Usually, nagla-live selling sila during Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tapos, usually hanggang madaling araw yun. So, enjoy watching while I'm potting this variegated gymnocalcium. So we're finally done potting the variegated Gymnocalcium from Jackie Potter and Lee Sieves. Let's have a final and closer look at each one of them. Enjoy watching! And before we end this video, I would like to flex to you all my collection or my entire collection of the variegated Gymnocalcium that I have in my garden, as well as the Astrophytum asterias, including the Kabuto, Mirio, Golden Barrel, Rainbow, Melocactus. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all.